FAR Limited is about to start a drilling program designed to increase the volume of known reserves discovered in last year's SNE1 well to or beyond the threshold, which will make the field an economically viable development project. We call this threshold the minimum economic field size, or MEFS. The MEFS for the SNE field is approximately 200 million barrels. The SNE discovery was ranked as the world's largest oil discovery in 2014 and will be the focus of the first phase of the joint venture's appraisal drilling program. 2 appraisal wells will be drilled on the SNE field, with a 3rd well drilled on a nearby exploration target. The first exploration well since the FAN1 and SNE1 discoveries. We think this is a relatively low-risk appraisal program, as the estimate of the recoverable oil in the SNE field ranges from 150 million barrels up to 670 million barrels. FAR believes there is extra oil potential not included in the preliminary assessment of contingent resource estimates for the SNE field. Detailed post-drilling analysis has identified thin bed reservoir sands with encouraging reservoir characteristics that are not included in the initial resource estimates. All 3 wells will be drilled by the Ocean Rig Athena drillship, which is currently under contract to our joint venture partner ConocoPhillips. The joint venture is very fortunate to be undertaking the appraisal drilling in a period where drill rig rates have almost halved since the beginning of 2015. This will allow the joint venture to complete the drilling and testing program at significantly reduced costs. Each appraisal well is expected to take approximately 40 days to drill, with additional days required for coring and flow testing. The FAN1 and SNE oil discoveries have given FAR very strong encouragement that more oil discoveries can be made offshore Senegal. FAR estimates that there are 1.5 billion barrels of gross prospective resources within the several prospects that lie within subsea tieback distance to a production hub over the SNE field. The exploration well in the firm drilling program will be drilled on Bellatrix. The Bellatrix prospect is in the Buried Hills play, which has a strong seismic amplitude response similar to that seen in the SNE discovery, giving it a high chance of geological success. It is located above and on the northern flank of the SNE discovery, so can be drilled to test the 170 million barrel prospectivity of Bellatrix and deepened to test the flank of the SNE field. If this well is successful, it will upgrade the potential for several other Buried Hills prospects located along trend. The Sirius and Soleil prospects are the same play type as the SNE field and again have similar seismic amplitude anomalies, which gives us confidence that these 2 prospects will contain oil and gas. A new 3D seismic survey over the northern blocks covered by our production sharing contract with the Senegalese government is planned to complement the existing 3D survey over our 2 discoveries. The aim of this program is to close the eastern boundaries of existing prospects and leads and define a prospect inventory to the north. FAR and our partners have made significant progress this year in analysing the extensive geological data in and around both the FAN1 and SNE1 discoveries, and looks forward to an exciting drill program in the coming months.